Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader. This is Marie, and yeah, let's see what opportunities we find today in this market. We are officially from yesterday. We are as spectators of or like is going on the Jackson Hole meeting. So a lot of relevant and important things are that have been said and will be said during this meeting. So as I think Marie was mentioning that J. Paul was going to be talking at some point today at around 10. But watch out for that. Like don't compromise anything for being too convinced of an idea because things can go either. Like I mean, Spy right now is popping up. It's looking very healthy. It's looking very good. But that doesn't mean that it couldn't go lower. So let's just see what the market wants to offer today. So Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing fantastic.
Fantastic thing.
It is Friday. It's a beautiful day.
Very nice.
And yeah, Spice above the PCL. Loving the colors today. So yeah, no, I'm really
Yeah, we have a
happy.
very colorful t-shirt.
Yeah,
So,
loving that. I think it celebrates the Friday, great end of the week. Nice.
let's see what we get for Halloween.
You're funny.
But yeah,
Oh, you're so, you and colors. No.
it's not that bad, you know. It's, I like it a lot actually. It's just I like to see it in somebody else.
You like it on somebody else. I love that. I love
Yeah,
that.
but yeah, that's what I can say about that one. So yeah, let's see what the market wants to do. As I say, like basically, we are a little bit early today. That's good. Well, earlier than usual
Yeah.
because I know.
Lately. Yeah.
Yeah, in the actual commitment that I have, I said I was going to be here at 9 at least. But that have been a little bit hard, so maybe we're gonna have to.
Well,
move
it's
that.
summer, right? Vacations and
Yeah.
visitors and family and
Yeah.
yeah, it's been quite busy, right?
But yeah.
The
So
routine wasn't there.
yeah, and it's getting more intense. So, like next week we have one of my daughter here, so it's gonna be a little bit more chaotic, let's say. So it's not that bad. She's very good. It's just
Oh, she's wonderful.
what I'm saying is that
They're
it
both
requires my
wonderful.
attention. So because it requires my attention, I'm gonna be lagging a bit more here. But yeah, so coming back to training, like yesterday was a good day for me. In general, like by the time we end the show, I was red, but at the end of the day, I just finished the day green again.
Oh, good
So
job.
practically no red days this week. But yeah, I have been going through my ideas. I have been going through things like that, like just to see if I can minimize mistakes because, like, though I have a whole green week, I have been making a lot of mistakes. So today, by us being earlier here, probably we can prevent that a little bit better. But let's see. So like one of the things that we really have to do is to really fish those good entries that we uh, prefer to take or that we are looking for. Like yeah, really entries that meet the requirement. Like I mean that meet the criterion for the trade. So, but yeah, what about you, Mary? What would you say? What would
Well, if I'm looking at Spy this morning and I'm listening to all the news that's there, very very careful. Everyone is saying be very 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 careful until Fed talks and Jerome hits the mic at 10. So the level of uncertainty is very very high this morning. So to really. Whew, so I'm going to be looking probably at stocks again
I like yeah like
that will not be that usually do not move the market or get moved by market trends.
yeah like. But there is a limitation to that. Like I mean.
Oh, for sure, there's a
yeah.
limitation for sure. But because, like as an example, I'm looking at PDD right now. PDD has really, it seems like it's got good news and obviously popping like, wow, in 2 days it popped $10. So it's really, really high in Arval again this morning. NIO has launched a new
A new opportunity to short the crap out of it.
a new EV. So apparently,
And they're actually able to build it.
yeah,
Ooh la la.
launch build. So I think that represents. That's why that there's been a pop of $1 in the last few days. So I like the Arval and the volume because if I'm not mistaken, it's they're number 2 in Arval, number 2 in volume. Mode V is number 1 in volume and number 1 in Arval. Big pop. Yeah, there was a big pop this morning, but right now I'm reading the tape and it looks like, you know what? Ooh. As I'm reading the tape, seems like there could be a pop at 73, but then there's a big position at 64, which was the previous resistance. That's definitely a small cap. We don't need to look further for that. That's a small cap, point blank. But it has been moving very well, very, and I like it.
Very morbid.
Yeah. So high volatility and definitely high volume. So
Perfecto, amigo. Perfecto.
and you?
No, right now, like I have a better sentiment for the market. I will say, like I mean,
Okay.
like things are looking a little bit more bullish today. Does that mean I'm gonna trust it? I don't think so. We're gonna take our time, but like I probably gonna be looking long. If nothing changed from here to the open, I'm probably gonna be looking long in everything I'm gonna be looking at. But I'm taking things quite slow. Like let's say I can take some Tesla. I kind of like Tesla today, but Tesla have a high chance of being choppy, and because of that, I want to. If I'm gonna get Tesla, let's try to get the best price that we can at some point. But things are looking different. Like I mean, I was trying to look at PLTR. Let's say and PLTR. I really like PLTR today. I really, really like PLTR today.
You really?
So,
Wow, that's several really. I like the fact
Yeah.
that it's really there. Okay. Okay, is it because that the only position that we see that's strong on the offer is pretty much a PCL?
let's see. I don't see the PCL. No, that's not because of that.
So you're going long or short?
Long.
Long at what?
I'm gonna try and I put the order right there. I'm gonna try the VWAP. I don't think it's gonna offer. No, let's see. A little bit above the VWAP, we're gonna go actually. 155.64. 155.64 long.
Where do you get that? Why that?
One of those numbers we pull out of somewhere. 155.64.
Is that the 200E?
No, that's not it. That is actually.
I'd go long 155.
Yeah, that's the highest volume executed up to now, right there at
Yeah.
155.64.
Okay.
So yeah, the 155 looks good, but my expectation is that it won't go to.
Yeah,
100.
because it is 50 cents through VWAP, right? So.
Yeah. So
I know
but
what you mean.
yeah, like it's just a shot, the only shot I'm gonna have before the market open, and let's see what he wants to do. Like I mean, if I am right, this could be a good trade, but I like PLTR long. That's what all the things I'm saying right now. So let's keep it there. I don't see much on the tape, to be honest, and I like Nvidia too, but also Tesla for the long. As I say, the problem I have right now is that I cannot see where I want to go long. Like Tesla 320, but really, do I want to go 320 and like? Yeah, probably I want to go 320.
There's definitely a big imbalance.
But Tesla have a higher chance of being a little bit choppy. That's the difference. Like Tesla is the yesterday PLTR, is today Tesla.
Okay.
Probably, I don't know. Like Tesla, even if it's choppy, it can go like a couple good dollars up. What are you looking at for the open?
Wow.
Everything okay?
Yeah, they're talking about in Neo.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. Oh, VFS as well. Who's VFS? VFS.
VSF.
I don't get
It's
it.
a new IPO, probably. Nvidia is not looking as good as I was thinking.
No?
No. At all. Like, I mean, at all. I don't know what was said in there, but. And, like, it's funny because AMD was looking like crap too. So, technology sector is slightly slower today, and it doesn't mean that it's no good trading there. It's just like, it's not attractive for me right now. Elephant?
Elf. Cosmetic company.
Mm-hmm.
ZM. I want to ZM.
So,
Zoom communication. Okay.
yeah. Ooh, we got PLDR.
Ooh.
That can go bad, so we're gonna have to be very hands on the wheels because the market haven't opened yet. Come on, PLDR, that's not looking good. You got it too, no? Because it's at your price, I guess, or close to.
Francesca.
So I was going to check the news, and that's what I like. Let's just
Just to see.
Yeah, just to see more than the Jackson Hole meeting. There has to be there could be something. So no, it's not much. Just Jackson Hole Symposium, which is at 8 at night.
How come I can't see it? Huh.
If it's a new IPO, it's normal that you can see it.
No, SoFi. No.
Palantir, how are you doing, Palantir?
The biggest position on Palantir now is 154.50.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, huge.
I see it. 250.
Yeah. And that's very close to the pre-market low.
Mm-hmm.
But what a pullback to that. Would it turn on there? Oh.
It's funny because I was expecting him to not get filled up, but
Really, eh?
mm-hmm.
Okay, we got a minute.
Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
you too. Okay. Oh.
10 seconds, and as I say, hands on the wheel. At least with this Palantir, like I pretty much probably won't shoot anything else. There we go. He got me out. What happened?
Everybody's a little surprised at the market right now.
Oh yeah. Pourquoi? I have an order to get some Tesla.
Okay. I've got 3. I got INTC. But we'll see. I got
You're going long, I
NEO.
see.
Yeah, I got 3 longs.
Nice. We got Tesla. Let's see if Tesla wants to hold or not. And there is a high chance that it can hold. PLTR, I just don't trust it. It's like it was looking good, and now it's looking like crap to me. Like yes, everything is selling off. I know, I get it, but
Let's go.
that's too much. We are saying that they flushed $3 in the open.
Okay.
Well, $3, for almost $4. So if Tesla decide to work, I'm gonna just hold it.
Let's go.
What is the ATR on Tesla?
Let's go.
I keep putting that ATR in front and it keep moving to the back. I don't know why.
Oh. Ooh. Nice.
No hope. There we go.
Let's go. 24. You cannot reject that. You're right there. Like Davey says, you cannot get burned, get too close to the fire without getting burnt. Let's go. Oh, got Neo.
Very nice. So the volume on AMD, what is the volume on AMD? Let's see.
Okay, so Spy seems to want to cross, right? The opening range. What you're gonna do there? Am I gonna add there? Where you're pulling back? Let's look at the TIG.
So I have an order for AMD.
Ugh. Got anything?
Yeah, I have AMD and Tesla.
Ooh, opposite. Look at you.
Yeah, AMD just flying right now. Let's see if it really wants to fly. Because the volume is really mediocre on AMD right now. I know it's popping up. If it's popping up in that really low volume, once it comes down, Tesla gonna add a little bit more to Tesla. Yeah, I have an order to add on Tesla very soon.
Let's go.
I know I'm not a fan to add that and say that like I never like adding, but
True, eh? That's true. I do
Because-
remember that.
it hurts my entry really bad. So
Well,
now,
I agree with you. I think we need to, when we add, to count if it's going to be a couple of cents, but you're adding 100 shares.
yeah, it just
Let's go.
your price go very bad. So I only gonna add 2 Tesla. AMD I gonna leave it quiet. Like if it works, it works. If it doesn't work,
Okay.
I like PLTR today. If you see me trading PLTR, please smack me.
Okay, people, we've heard it.
Yeah.
You heard it here.
Yeah, I give you permission.
Smack.
You're not signing your permission.
Contract.
Yeah. If you
I'm
see me
signing
trading
a
PLTR,
contract.
smack me.
Smack. Nicely done.
BDA. Baby, baby.
Ooh.
La 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 la. Okay, I'm gonna start getting a little bit more aggressive on AMD. At the same time, whenever I do that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reduce my risk. Well, reduce. The risk is gonna be the same. The stop loss is gonna be closer. Baby, baby. La 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 la.
Let's go, Neo. Let's go. Woo. Oh. Me gusta.
What happened?
Neo. Look at where I got it. Whoa.
You are getting a lot of those things lately, huh?
Whoa. We cannot be afraid of trading.
Oh no, that's always I have here from you guys. They're like,
You just
it
need
just
to.
doesn't work.
Hmm?
To be afraid in trading, it just doesn't work. Like I mean, it's
And cannot be afraid of adding. Look at this.
look. I have an order to add Tesla here. Like this is my entry. I have a Tesla. This is my entry. I want to add. And
Right
it's
there?
like, yeah, where I have the order.
Oh,
at
maybe.
321. But it's
Look at
like
this.
no way, Jose. Look
See,
at you.
that's my initial. That was supposed to be a partial, and I freaking added there. You just want to smack me too. But look at the pull back.
Yeah, that's a very cool thing.
Very good ad, and just 3 cents. So that's where. Oh yeah,
Oh, they
making
have-
a higher high.
They
Let's
have slightly higher
go.
relative volume.
Na 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 na.
Baby.
Okay, let's go. Boom.
What was said there? Very good.
Thank you, Davey.
There is a guy that they have a short in YouTube. Like it's a video that I watch. The people I did some classes with.
Okay.
Like I did some courses about, like about trading and things. There is a video of one of them saying, like, man, like, just don't give up. Like, with
Right.
time, even if you are a donkey, you're gonna get it. You know, it's like you every day you're gonna be a little
Are you
bit
calling me
better.
a donkey?
I'm not saying that,
Fuck.
man. That's why you have to be careful. Anything
You
say
know
can
I
be-
was kidding.
Anything you say can be used against you. You know.
Oh my god. You know I was kidding. No, I know what they mean, right? If you well, it's pretty much on anything, right?
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
you
like,
really put in the effort, like, right? How many books, how many courses, how many...
There are many things that it's not about the talent. It's more about the discipline and the consistency. And like.
This is definitely one of them. You don't need fancy to press the keys, but you definitely... Oh, God!
And that's something that we have here from most of the most brilliant minds in trading, that they say that they will be able to make anybody trade correctly. Like, I mean,
Did-
anybody that is able to follow
Davey.
procedures. She's so excited today,
I'm so excited!
which is good.
Well, no, but wouldn't you be excited when you
Yeah,
read
for
that
sure.
like that?
Yeah, for sure.
Come on.
So-
I am so happy that I'm able to read it like that.
It's a pro level.
Well, okay, we're not there yet, but hey.
Well, the way those trades look, they are. Like, she have the, like, let's say INTC. I'm gonna tell
Neo.
you. This is Neo?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So, but like in INTC, you did very cool execution too. But like,
Mm-hmm.
let's say in Neo,
Got
she
it.
got in right here,
581
right there. And she's adding
at 584.
right there. And then the rest, you know.
Yep. And my partial is at 6. Let's go. Look at SPY. Not that my stocks usually well, INTC, yes. INTC can take some love from SPY for sure. It can be aligned with SPY. Neo, no.
Man, what do you do when you see like Tesla? Look how it's fantastic, but like
Look at
I
you.
didn't add, and I was in confidence to go with the bigger amount at the beginning.
But you said you placed it. Oh, but it never came back.
Yeah, it never came back. Yeah, like this is gonna be my haul for the day. Hey, we don't know. Sometimes Tesla print 30 days on a day,
Right?
$30 on a day.
640.
If it does that with that little size, I can do something. But like if it doesn't do that, it's gonna be a mediocre size
Okay.
management. But
6
yeah.
is coming. I know what you mean.
Watch out with the 98s. You know how they place.
Well, I think here it's going to be 6. Because we got 98, we got 99, and we got 6. And 6 is super big, but then we've got 610. So does it want to be pushed? But hey, you know what? Hands on the wheel there because I want to take my partial. At 6, I said, oh, come on. Come on, people. $6.39.
La, 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 la.
$6.39 for SPY and still pushing. Okay, reprint.
I got out of AMD by mistake.
Okay, so at 24 for INTC, I'm either, it needs to pop from 24 or I'm taking a double partial.
So I just got my shares back on AMD.
Nice.
We'll see. Like
Partial. Pop, 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 pop from 24. Let's see what.
yeah, let's see if I am right on that one. Like I could be wrong. It's just I don't like again, and it's more and more often like that. But I understand it's because of the nature of how we are playing the game. It is very common that like where did I get out at the PCL, and I don't like to be out at the PCL because it's wrong. It's a wrong idea.
No. But the PCL, we know we can hold a lot of heat at the PCL, right?
Yeah, but I prefer to hold a hit than to being out there. If he break through and he went through, yeah, for sure, get me out.
Mm-hmm. But so often, right, that we've got a very strong rejection at the PCL.
Yeah.
Okay, reprint. It's right there. Go get it. 24. Or I'm going. So long, farewell. Afita say no. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. That's what we were waiting for. Hands off the wheel. We needed a pop at the 24, or we take double partial. Hey, what you doing? Talk, Davey, talk about your trades.
There's nothing to say.
Oh, Neo's gonna get 6. Let's go. 5.99, 5.99. Hands on the wheel. 6 on deck. Wow, SPY's just bopping. 6 on deck. And 6 is there. And there's a partial. Okay, Mary.
Here comes the money.
Am I gonna take a double partial there? What's the tape looking like? Holy cannoli. Yeah. Okay, at 10. What's gonna happen at 10, Davey?
It's true. We have news at 10.
Yeah. What are we looking at 10? Let's not forget, right? That's 15 minutes here. Look at Neo.
Check out.
610. Next up.
Yeah, it's still going high. I see. Like
610.
somebody was buying AMD at 163, and I say, why are you buying at 63? It's okay. It's okay.
See, where's my next stop by Intis? Okay, we've got a double shield. Ooh, dog it at 24.50.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear this t-shirt more often. Like this is her t-shirt. Look. So,
What? Yeah.
she's
Rub the
doing
fire.
Really good. She's doing very good.
Right?
Uh,
Thank you. And it's Friday.
Yeah.
Usually Friday I don't. Friday is not my trading day. I don't know why.
Well, Friday is not that it's your trading day. It's a hard day to trade. Some like depending on the day. Like what is it today? And I think today. What is it today? Let's see.
Oh no, is it the triple?
It's
No!
it's the fourth. No, it's not a triple. It's the triple was the last one. Hey man, when you got a trade like the one I got on Tesla, just make peace with that. But like because AMD is annoying. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. Like look at my entry. Like this is. I got 20.
Oh, that's an entry. That's an amazing entry.
So I'm gonna try to put my. Let's see if ever it wants to come
Wow.
back to the moving average. Ooh, I know why SPY slowed down there. You remember I mentioned that price yesterday, and that's the previous.
639.
Yeah, that might be the turn. Just watch out. If it's not the turn, it's okay too, but it could be the turn.
That makes sense. Yeah, we definitely find a little bit of resistance there at the level of 639. Davey has pointed out. Represents a little slowdown for my trades as well. So I've got hands on the wheel. We still have 11 minutes.
Tesla, I'm just gonna leave it open as a hope. Like as I say, it's, let's see if he really wants to do that good today. So it's $5 in the money. It's just like I really went a little bit too small in there, and that didn't help. So
$5.
So AMD, I have to be out of AMD. That's for sure.
Okay, 25's on deck. 24, 25. So it's going to depend on what SPY is going to be doing. I do have a big curl back from my RSI here, and we're talking INTC. A little bit of consolidation there at the 24.20. 21, 22, let's go. 25's on deck. It'll need to be going through that. Is SPY making a higher high as well? Okay, INTC is making a higher high. Ooh.
$6 in the money on Tesla.
Nicely done.
Yeah,
What was that?
it's a regret.
I'm not going.
Yeah,
With
I'm
more
not going,
shares.
yeah, it's just. But you know, it's okay. The trade is a good trade. I was like, I just have to. You know how I'm gonna solve that? Putting a hotkey for that, like for putting a hotkey only for Tesla. Because what happens is that in Tesla I have a wider stop loss, and because of that I like to go in tippy toes. Like it's like, let's see, is this gonna work? I don't know. Let's just. So
Ooh, look at you at that level, Davey. 639.
yeah, like it's a daily, but maybe it's gonna go through. Like I'm not sure about anything, you know. The volume is amazing for today. I have to say that the volume is very nice volume. But the potentiality of the trail, like I mean that
Oh,
that trail on Tesla.
We haven't heard that for a while.
Yeah, like, but I'm talking about the same Tesla. I mean, like, I really, really love the way.
Okay, no worries for Neil. I don't want to miss it. So you know what, Neil? I'm gonna put it in instead. And I'm gonna put my partial, just in case that I'm looking at something else, right there. So there. I won't miss it.
You shouldn't.
Oh, that was a bad one. I should have been wolf.
54%. Okay, wolf. Oh,
I
yeah,
still
yeah.
have my order there, but we might as well get rid of it because when it's going to pull back to that, it's going to go through.
Yeah, it's like
But oh,
Out
that
of
would have been
exhaustion.
sweet.
Okay, let's take a look at the reading of the. Let's read the tape on AMD. So let's read the tape because it's AMD. Like I mean, like you know, AMD can do big things.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Somebody's strong this morning. Answer me now.
Yeah, just give me a second. I'll be back right away.
Isn't
All right,
that
we're
there?
back.
Yeah.
The vent could be.
Mhm. Let's go. 5 minutes. Oh, well, so at 10 we got Powell, but at noon there's the president that talks. Let's go. 27. Are you in anything, Diggy?
All the same two things. And yeah, now AMD is printing a bit. Tesla is pulling back a bit. So one is going south, the other is going north. AMD shouldn't be going that high, but you know, who am I to say that? 55, yeah, the volume keep ramping up, but like now ramping up in the right direction.
Okay.
Well, in the right direction again. Like there you go, Davey. Like what the fuck? It's like, so, yeah. AMD, the volume was like AMD. The reason why I went short at the price I went short right here. Then I got stopped out here by mistake, and then I re-got it. That's a PCL. So in my opinion, it shouldn't be going higher because of such a low volume, such a selling pressure that it had previously. But the selling pressure went away, so it was just people buying, and in very low volume, this thing is just going higher and higher. So what do I want to say about that? Yeah, that now it makes sense. Now it makes sense that it's going down and the volume is still ramping up. But yeah, there we go.
SPY going through the VWAP.
That's how you do it. Beauty Tesla. I'm gonna add to Tesla. I don't feel really happy about adding there, as I say. It's not my type of thing to add on Tesla, especially like yeah, act fast or don't act. So and I'm breaking even on Tesla. So Tesla, I add right there. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I'm okay with that too. You know, just like I'm breaking even because I should be getting in with more shares, and like I didn't do it because I don't have that plan. But like now, hey, if we go back to the price, I want to be out and I want to get it lower. Though if you pop from there, it's like. I'm gonna put a target on AMD because now I'm sprinting, but like it makes no sense that I just hold the trade for forever. Like yesterday, you know what I liquidated my trades?
No.
Like at 750, something like that.
Oh wow.
AMD, what are you? AMD right here. So for AMD, what is the target? 162. Okay, let's see at 162 what you have. What do you have? 162. Did you see a SPY?
Yep. Pull back through the VWAP, still above the opening range.
Yeah, it's looking good actually.
I love what they did that right there. So we should be 20 seconds.
In my opinion, AMD is gonna go 62. It's gonna go lower, below 62. Yeah, it's popping. It's okay. You can pop all what you want.
Are you kidding me? It just popped $3.
Holy crap! What? Like? Did you see Tesla? Did you see Tesla?
OMGE. You're almost $7 in the money, Davey.
But I doubled the thing there. So like now I'm like 20. I am $9 in the money. What the heck was that? But in AMD, it's a very bad trade.
Okay.
$12 in the money.
Good job, David.
Not really, but thank you for the compliment. AMD sitting through it, but it's just a wrong behavior for my AMD, and I have to be out of that trade. As it's pulling back, let's see how much it pull back. I have a reason to be in the trade on Tesla, but not in AMD. So, hijo de tu. Beep.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
Okay, now we are talking. Okay, let's start doing something with that Tesla. So go back to where you belong, AMD. I know you are being part of this party right now, but
Absolutely. Yeah.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
Nice. Powell has a mic. Insanely. $10. You're
But-
$10.
yeah, but in AMD, as I said, because I have way more shares on AMD, and the biggest mistake I'm making lately.
First time we've got to pull back on SPY. Okay, yeah, continue.
Yeah, the biggest mistake I'm making is that I'm not. I'm going to trades without stop loss, and that is annoying me.
Mm.
Like,
Okay, big pop at 643.
yeah,
So why do you?
because there are hotkeys that I don't have, and then when I change something on the trade, I just do poorly on that one.
So what are you gonna do there?
So I'm trying to add back to Tesla.
25 looks less interesting here. Could be where I'm gonna liquidate. What I like about the trading today, or my trading today, was very, I didn't max out by any chance the number of shares that I was taking.
Mm-hmm.
I was definitely conservative. Okay, so at 55, there we go. 55's on deck. Let's go. What you gonna do?
What is PLTR doing? I won't trade it. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You know, AMD. I'm not saying I'm right with AMD. It's just like what are you doing there?
Okay, so 53. Wow. Okay, 53's on deck. 53, 53. What you gonna do?
When I come for you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I created a spread and acceleration to the tape, but not in the right direction. So now we've got a big pullback. I'm going to take a second look at our tapes here. No, I don't want you to go down to there. I'm going to take another profit before that happens. Come on, reprint 2450 quickly. There we go, there we go. Can't lose everything. 642.90, do you remember that number?
Yeah.
For SPY. Let's go. Okay. A lot of sellers are. I think they're kind of tired of the stress.
Hey.
Reprint 50. Let's go. Wow, look at you, reprinting 50. You've got to be kidding me. Ah. Oof. You repelled it right there. You're too big. You're too big. Push. Wow, that's 642.98. That for SPY was such a beautiful support level right there. But not making a higher high by the penny. Making a higher high.
I see. I'm out of Tesla completely.
Okay. Nice.
Here comes the money, money,
Now I'm gonna be dealing with AMD. I have to fix it. That's a mistake. I am losing the crap out of it in that one.
Wow. Oh.
This is a super weird feeling because I just have to know add to AMD to be able to fix my mistake. But if ever it come back, but like still like you know, not the right thing to do. It's just, I mean, it's the right thing to do what I'm doing now after I am in the hole, but like I shouldn't be doing that. So it's just Like, there is a reason why I liquidate Tesla, and there is a
Mhm.
reason why I'm still holding AMD. I don't think I will recuperate everything on AMD, but I will be able to definitely do something with it.
You think so?
Yeah. Um, yeah, there we go. That's how you mitigate that. Like, it's just don't sleep on it for sure because it can go back up. But man, it's one of those charts that is showing you the finger, like.
A and D. Let's go. This is Neo is definitely wow. That's a wow. Wow. And there it is.
Yeah,
Boom.
pretty cool.
Here we go. Money talks.
Here comes the money, money, money.
I still have about 30% of my INTC. And we've got a consolidation. I think everybody's holding their breath to see if there's going to be a cut. He's still talking.
That's the expectation, I guess.
Right? Everybody's got the
Yeah, like is J Paul gonna cut or not?
right hands on the button and hands on the wheel, finger on the button. Okay, our spy, you're gonna make a new high. Well, look at you go.
Mm-hmm.
Still making a new. And Neo's still going. INTC, you're still consolidating at 2450. Expected, totally expected. We'll see if there's going to be a push of the imbalance. I could have added there, but really, when I've got a good price like that, do I want to? You serve me well. INTC. Wow, SPY 645. You're going to get to 645. Am I too loud, Davey?
No, you're all good, all good.
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing at myself.
And why? It's always good.
Yeah, but you know.
Crossing 645. Where? What? Where am I going to get out of this?
Look at the ADD. 2,260 positive.
Did you ever see it that?
Not that high, no. Yeah.
Right?
It's very-
Usually it turns around the 12s. Right?
It's very unusual.
Yeah. Okay, somebody made a call. Well, you know what? We need to, but I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to create anything here, but let's try.
Thank you, Vladdy. Me too.
Hey, I know, right? Great T-shirt. T-shirt of luck, Blurry. Let's go, INTC. Let's go. Voyons donc. Ben voyons donc. A little pullback for SPY at 645.50. Okay, we've got an imbalance a little bit happening.
Ah, la 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 la. La 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 la. The Fed see that there is no need for any so the policy remain unchanged.
You're hilarious.
I hear him saying that. you know.
Absolutely.
I hear him saying that.
Okay. Let's see if I can't increase my position on my NTC a little bit. But
Can I say that I didn't expect the volatility to be that high? Like, I mean, yes, I
What?
was expecting it to be high.
But not
Not
like
that high,
this.
man.
No,
It's like-
no. Well, you're saying that as I'm listening to news
Yeah,
and
the-
traders and everything.
Yeah.
In their 20 years of experience, they've never seen this.
Well, like, unfortunately, I cannot show you the ADD because DAS doesn't provide the ADD for some reason. So, like, it's not that thing. It's the ADD. It's we use it as an indicator basically, and like when the number in the ADD is positive 1,000, we are considering it too high. Too many people are buying. Too many things are going in the buying side so far and things like that. Well, today is 2,296 toward the upside. I can say like I didn't know that was even possible because like is there that much participation in the market? Like I mean,
It seems to be.
like this looks like if the other side of the world come to the market and say we're gonna buy now. And it's like, which could be what is happening, but you know,
It could be.
You don't know
It
what you
could
don't
be.
know, so I don't want to say that it is like that. So. Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino era rodar y rodar. Y bueno, pues yo sé bien que no me quisiste, pero vais a estar muy triste cuando te toque rodar, llorar, llorar, Simón, llorar. It's not the same.
It's not the same.
I told you, AMD, you don't freaking belong there, man. You do. It's just not today. Not now. I know the news was good, but you didn't have that in you today. So, don't do that to me, my guy. I was having such a good trade on Tesla, and then I see, oh, I don't have a stop loss for you, you know, and I say, man, that's not good. That's not good, you know. It's the biggest mistake somebody can ever make. The biggest. There is no such a thing like that, you know.
I love it. Good job on that.
Ay, ay, ay. But c'est la vie. Oh, honey. The sugar, sugar.
Almost finished the speech.
Oh, because the speech is just J Paul right now. J Paul is just still talking.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You're gonna know when he dropped the podium, when he go out from the podium. Like, people right now, like,
When he grabs the mic and drops it.
AMD right there just gave me everything back. So, let's see if he doesn't pop up again and block me or whatever. But I am hard-headed on all my trades lately in the point, and that's not good. That's a bad thing. Like, what I'm saying is, like, I am playing for it to block me, or it's like, you die or I die. One of the two is gonna go down.
Okay.
So, yeah. Even Tesla, I probably should be like, it's not the moment that I thought about that too late. But I should short Tesla.
642, 90 is going to be important again.
I want to spy, you say, right? Spy, spy, spy. So, as overreaction happened to the downside, I will consider this an overreaction toward the upside. Probably a lot of that is going to stay because it's a lot of liquidity. But who am I to say it's an overreaction? Let's see what the market does. But at the end, like, gauging, like, I think it could be an overreaction. Look at the volume drop here on even on SPY. Like, I mean, like, we have, yes, it was 3 minutes of intensity here, but it hanged there like a single participation. And when it hanged like that, like a single participation, I kind of don't like it, you know. I like to see people coming, like, more like well, people participation coming more from different sources. Yeah, but the only one source was the treasury, so it's wrong anyways, you know.
Wow.
Maria. Like, I have seen eventually, like, at some point, let's say, let's figure out that this is a chart during a day that J Paul is having a meeting. I in the past, I'm not saying this is the same because we were for a long period we were trading more like those numbers that were coming out and things like that. But I have seen J Paul grabbing the mic and the talk doing like or everything, including a spy like this. J Paul left the podium, coming back to here. You know, I have seen that. So
He's done his speech. Now he's just answering questions. Wow, SPY really pushed up, eh?
yeah,
From that level.
yeah, it's pretty cool stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe can I take a little break?
I don't know, can you?
I would like to, so let's take a little break. We're gonna be back in a bit.
Absolutely. Me too, I need to. Good idea.
All right, we're back. So, how are you doing? Good.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Pretty good, Nari. Pretty good. So, what do I need from here? We need to raise the volume a bit.
I cannot wait to review my trades.
Yeah, that's a very good. Like today, you have been fantastic.
Well, I'm gonna have to say there's been a few days this week or last week, but yeah, things seems to be clicking exactly. Things seems to be clicking, as into the ads, into the removal, into the risk management. There's definitely some clicking. I like that. Okay, so 645 seems to be acting as a little bit of a slowdown. If it acts as a support at 645, watch out and look at that. You're kidding me, right?
My lesson for today is
I like that.
don't look for shorts when you are so bullish, because I was very bullish.
That's a good point, right?
So stay in one side of the boat.
I think there I'm going to, yeah.
Like you only went long, right?
Yep,
Yeah. So
I had 2 trades. The 2 I'm still in from the beginning. Never got me up. Boom, I'm still in the profit. I've been adding where I like to add. I've been taking my profit. I didn't add it until it escaped. I still have my original price for INTC of 23.80.
wow.
No ad. I don't have much left of my position though. But you know what?
Yeah,
hey,
but that's it.
hey.
That's what I like. That's why I say I don't like to add.
But Neo I added. So Neo I took profit, but then I added when it went to pullback. I put it up. I added, so I don't have the same price in Neo. But definitely when you're looking at those pops, when I add at the consolidation points, definitely, because I don't have enough shares. But when I'm looking at Neo right now, it's almost a 8R. So still very pleased. But I've been trying when it goes in consolidation to try to add. So okay, so 645 for SPY did not escape it yet, but is it going to be the new support? Whew, that would be nice for people with the long, but you got a short.
Yeah. Like the problem with not having a stop loss is not necessarily the damage that you put on the thing is the what I do after with it. And like for example, because I have that thing that
Well
blocked me.
said.
Like today, let's say even if I liquidate there, it won't block me. But it it will put me red for sure.
Okay, 645
So
for SPY. Not making a new high, but I could have added.
and as
here.
I say, I have been very hard headed. Like, you can ask like how you can be saying that. I just don't want to regret. Like, how can you be aware of that and still say it? It's just like, yeah, like it's at some point it's not just my stubbornness. It's just like if I get out, they're gonna get blocked. Or if I get like, I had my chance to get out, I decided to not go out. So I think if I wanna fix my mistake, I'm gonna have to wait for this to go about $1.50 down. Still take the loss, but $1.50 below. Know what it is right now. If I don't do that, I have 2 choices. Is one, let it block me, Which, if you make another high, a higher high, with the type of volume you have been doing, it probably will block me with the maximum loss for the day. But if it doesn't do that, and it pull back like 50
Oh,
cents,
good,
like
check
$1.50, I will be literally flat, and at that flat is okay. It's not keeping any profit, but it's not being red.
Is 168 going to get you out?
No, 168 does not get me out.
Okay.
You have to go a little bit above that.
Because I think that 168 is big enough that it could be repelling.
Yeah, like I should be able to survive the 168.
Okay.
But if you don't say kaboom at the 68 or like 50
Yeah,
cents,
then that's
like,
when you're gone.
then-
Yeah. Because it could be repelling. C'est incroyable, mon ami. C'est incroyable.
Yeah, it's very cool. This doesn't happen every day, but
Well, you're making higher high INTC, so you know what? I still have an incredible price. I still have my original, so
baby. Look, there is a fire, wildfire in close to our land too. That's where the pool is. That is that.
oh no! In the
No, the wildfire is not that close. It's just a look at the
wow, the haze.
yeah. So I think it just print. What is it? AMD. AMD just print 169. 167.95.
So very close to 168.
Mm-hmm. And it is heavy. Like right now, what is holding is the 67. So it has to lose the 67 for me to be more quiet. But like, well, I'm quiet, but like, to be more certain that like I can still survive this thing. If it doesn't go below 67, then it's like probably it's not a good idea. But you have to understand that right now you will have a lot of people chasing those moves, so they will be buying.
168 though has reduced. It used to be 406. Now it's 286.
Yeah, that's not good. That's good for me. It's not good for the long.
Because
Because
obviously he might be wanting to sell at a higher price, right? So
yeah, but he also
it almost
he
seems
can,
like he split his position between 168 and 168.50.
But that's what I mean, like by like because it will depend what is he like, if he's a short seller, if he's a natural seller. Like, but what I'm saying by that is that like in that reduction of the sizes, I have two interpretation. One of them is I don't need that much to keep it below there, so I will reduce the size, because sometimes if you see that they overshoot like 5,000 lot, and then like those 5,000 lot are
It's
only
just to
during the
test.
high volatility, and then it will reduce a lot. So when those are short sellers, that imply that okay, that's not doable there. So it's no um, like they will be able to keep the price below there with less amount. And there is the other case, which is a very bullish case, and it's that
I
they
want
remove
to.
it from there, but they put it higher.
Mm-hmm.
And that could be what is happening. That candle is a very cool candle there, so let's not get blocked.
Okay, 645, right? SPY has really, really maintained that level.
Yeah, everything is holding the previous stage or the previous station. So it's quite obvious to believe that things are gonna go higher. But like for example, AMD, what is my observation right now? It print 167.95, and then like right now another high, 167.96, just 1 cent above. So yeah, like those buyers are millimetrically under control. So all the sellers, I don't know how I should interpret that. I'm just reading what happened there. Right now I print 168.09, and there is buyer at 168. So let's see. Yeah, like it's very little amount at 67.99 or 68, and it went through. But as I say, very little amount, and it's holding. So that's bullish. I may not have a choice just to get all out when you block me or whatever.
SPY making new high.
Yeah, but if you see by depending, which to be honest, at this point I don't even know how to interpret it, if the trap is for the long or if it's for the short, but it seems to be trapping.
The tape is definitely different on AMD now.
And like I was very greedy when I look at the AMD. Like I said, this is the one that I'm gonna take advantage of, and it took advantage of me. So, well, of my mistakes. But yeah, you have to see the volume was below. Like it was like 37% of a normal volume on AMD.
What?
So and I say why, and you're going higher, but like.
Position building at 169.
That's the lesson. You want to hard-headed? Be hard-headed. Pay the price for it. Tape is accelerating for sure. Printing 68, 27, 30. Going through the ask like if there is nothing. 29, 31, 38, 40, 50. No, 50 no, 39. Okay, drop a lot from there. It spike at 40. And we only have to be able to survive that block, whatever it is that I don't see it for sure. And we are dropping from there from the 41, 40 something. It's a 45 actually. 45, 44, not dropping 50, 50, okay. Spike the 50, but it's holding the 50 quite well, so probably it's gonna go through. Let's see, 48, 48. Printing at the bid, that bid drop a couple cents, drop a bunch of cents actually right there, but like remember volatility is spiking, so anything can happen right there, and this thing is flying. So back to the 37, back to the 39, but 28. The bid is dropping a lot.
How can this happen? Really? Okay, we've got a $9 move on SPY, and that's what we get from the VIX.
That's why I always say that to me it makes no sense to look at the VIX as a, like, I don't know if you know, but we can trade the VIX. Like the VIX is tradable, and
Yeah, that I did know.
there are people that know about the bottom of it. Like I'm very good. Just when you go to the bottom, you can have a order resting in there, and whenever you get it, you get some decent. But yeah, I have never traded them. Like, but what I was saying is, like, from long ago, I decided that I am not looking at the VIX to use adjustments for my trades. Like I will. The ATR is telling me more than that. And today, like, that's like, yeah, if we go in the 5-minute ATR, Tesla have a $2, and AMD, why you keep coming back in the study, and then
Okay,
maybe I have to save the
646.
chart in those. That would make sense. Instead of saving the layout, I have to save the chart for that to stay. You see the blue number? I want the blue number to stay in front, but always like the black number come in front.
Come in front,
And don't let me
then
see
you
the
don't
blue.
see the blue, yeah.
Exactly. So, and like, but like, you remember you told me, like, oh, I don't know why my lines are not staying even when I press save.
I wasn't saving the charts.
You was like, I have the same problem in those two charts.
Okay.
I remember how to fix that. Save trend line, user regional font, not that. Okay. Just save setting as a chart. July with range, okay, that one. Yes, replace. Oh, honey. Yeah, even on SPY, if you look at the other side is really skyrocketing right there. And pretty cool stuff. Let's see if I'm able to survive. I'm not able to survive. It's gonna be okay because I have a good week. But that doesn't mean I'm able to, like, it's not the right thinking. It's not like you don't sacrifice what you did during the week just because you're having a brain fart. So if you see, like, during the heat of, and this is a day that I'm gonna come and I'm gonna watch again because of the, like, I was doing very good on Tesla. I'm very bad on AMD. And you say, how did your app doesn't get you out when it's doing that type of thing? It's because of that. Like, yes, it knows I am losing a lot on AMD, but it's also know I'm making the same amount or a little bit more at some point
Okay.
in
On
Tesla.
the Tesla.
So to have a counter thing was interesting for me because I can, like, I have been using this for the last 2-3 weeks, where, like, yes, I am losing in one, but I am making or similar or something like that. So then I am just deciding, oh, the one I am losing is something I want to get rid of here, or I want to wait a bit. And
Okay.
like, that's what I did for AMD. But like, as I say, it's just a mistake that becoming a little dependency for
Okay.
for the initial mistake. From the initial mistake.
So I'm expecting one last pop from, so I've added there, first time, on that pullback, and just to better a little bit, have more shares, because it's going to be one last pop for INTC, and then I'm going to be out. So I just want to take a little bit more advantage of that pop. but it's the first time I've had it. So
Pretty cool trades. Like, I have to work on that and to show your charts. Like,
I'm gonna be honest.
you don't want that?
I'm gonna be honest. I used to be very like, no, I don't want anybody to see my chart. But yeah, no, I'm pleased and proud of the execution and the, how do we say, the.
I had the same feeling at the beginning. Like, at the beginning of, like, because this is, yes, like, if we grow up the YouTube channel, it's okay too. It's good. But, like, the reason why we started recording this, it was more to, like, I myself, I come back and I check the tape, I check what I did, and I say, what the heck are you doing there? But what I'm saying is, like, what I notice, like, that feeling that you are saying there, I had the same feeling. I say, well, I don't want to see people when I do mistakes. And when I decide to share it, then, like, let's be transparent, like, hey, look at what a crappy entry I have there. So what it does is just, it helped me instead of, like, because you wanna say that, like, if you are showing something to somebody, you wanna show it correctly. So, like, to me, it put more pressure into try to do better. Though I know I
Pressure
still,
on
like,
a good execution.
exactly better. Yeah.
Jerome Powell's new nickname,
Okay.
Big Papa Pump.
Big Papa Pump.
Pumping the market.
Ay. Cool. That name sounds cool.
Big Papa Pump.
Did he say good things on in the meeting or what?
Not much.
So why is the market blowing off?
Okay, going through 646 for SPY. What's AMD doing?
You're flying.
Shut up.
It's just flying.
So you're expecting the speech of Mr. T to tank everything? That would be brilliant. 45. You're, wow, somebody's making their charts exactly like me. Look at 45. That's where my point is.
Mm-hmm.
And look at it. Somebody's making their charts like me.
I like that. Oh my goodness.
Yep, that's where my level is too there. So we'll see what you're gonna do.
Hey. Let's see. If we go daily. Yeah, that's the problem. So I'm gonna put a line at
45 on
2000
deck.
something. Like, what was the high of today?
45 on there.
Maria. En esta soledad, en esta soledad, que no me sienta nada bien. Mm. So I'm tracking back, like I'm trying to see where can I see. Okay, I see. Oof, we have a bunch of those days. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'm just correcting myself here. Like the ADD does get to 2000s, exceptionally,
Yeah.
very exceptionally. But you have done it in the past, and the same for the negative things. Well, if it does one, it does the other.
Okay, so if it goes on to the top, it pulls back to the negative.
No, not that it will do it the same day or that it will do it, but like this is
That's
because
the range.
the range is symmetric. Oh yeah. I guess those are like FOMC meetings and things like that.
Okay, 45. There it is. We've got a huge position at 24.20. I'll survive it, but do I really want to? What about Neo? How's my chart there? Wow. All the list, super green.
I'm using Tesla as a point of reference. Like after I did what I did on Tesla, it haven't went too far. Like I mean, so it's just AMD and its trial of I want to go higher.
Definitely the trend is slowing down. You know, I'm thinking, look, I'm saying that Neo's not aligned. Right? At exactly the same time. So we say they're not aligned, but they may not move.
Do you remember me saying certain limitations?
That's why I'm saying it today.
Like I don't know if you have heard about stocks that like there are stocks that have been abandoned, like literally abandoned. So like what I'm saying by that is like anything that you are trading is no abandoned, even if it's not tightly like correlated with the market.
Mm-hmm.
You will still receive some of the flow of it. En esta soledad, en esta soledad. Let's see if your teacher for the luck bring me some luck today, and I am able at least to be breaking even in this thing. Which it could happen, man. Like I mean,
Hey, it's supposed to be a trading T-shirt, so
so we're gonna use it more often, right?
yes, it's supposed to be the 3D T-shirt. It was bought for the fuego.
Fuego, fuego, fuego. Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino era rodar y rodar. Rodar y rodar. Rodar y rodar. Y yo sé bien que no me quisiste, pero vais a estar muy triste cuando te toque rodar.
Okay.
No, 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 abajo, abajo, abajo. What I'm looking for. Ay, 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 ay.
Okay, SPY's pulling back. The RSI is the lowest it's been in the last hour almost. Come on, crossover.
Oh, honey.
It's gonna be a great day for a picnic, Bloody.
Hey.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pull on that chart just to see where those are going to be ending up. Okay.
Yeah, I think your 2420 is gonna be doable.
We've got a little bit of fun running here. 2438 is 2438 just dropped 6,000 lot. Really? Ooh, you're planning ahead.
Oh, we.
Me gusta.
I told you last year we're gonna do that this year.
I like it. Titi.
Yes, sir. Break.
Yes, please.
Okay, we're gonna back on the bed. The worst of this is that like I wanted to increase the size for Monday for everything. And it's like, with this type of mistakes, you shouldn't be increasing sizes. But
I don't know.
I'm actually okay with that. Like, it wasn't that. It's not that bad. Like as I say, I know in the piano it looks bad, but it's. I don't like talking like, oh yeah, I can do that, but yeah, no, you cannot. It's not their mentality. So, lady, any story? He never got you at your 20, but like,
No, and I added on the pullback because I said it's going to do one last pop. And that last pop, I would like to have a fuller position.
okay.
But it's not even close to getting me, but we'll see. We definitely have some. That's what's happening. Ah.
What's happening?
I'm looking at Neo. So I was wondering why it was losing some strength. But if I'm looking at the tape is slowly flipping. So the people.
Yeah, slowly put toward the downside. Is what you mean?
So we had very, very big positions at 655. And when I'm saying big, we're talking 1,000 lot at 650, 655. Now we're looking at barely 500 at that number. So now it's 635. That seems to be the next big one. So yeah, we'll see. I'm still not out because yeah, it's really good. I've worsened my price, but when I worsened my price is because I wanted to, after taking a lot of partials at the 630, I wanted to rebuild a little bit of the position, not much, but to get a last good little pop. Breaking
Okay.
even in both, same with the INTC. Breaking even in both, but I like the fact that I've reloaded a little bit because now it is popping. Same with Neo. So we'll see what's going to happen. I'm breaking even in both. They've served me very, very well in both cases.
Very nice.
Yeah. I'm happy.
You took great trades today.
I did.
Yes.
And you too. You took a really good trade on Tesla. PLTR, you walked away from it, which
Yeah.
was great. And AMD, we're still in it.
Yeah, AMD. I'm just trying to, as I say, survive.
Not even close, eh? Oh. Well, if we're looking at Wolf, that I wanted because I saw it being super bullish and it never got me, look at what it did.
Yeah. Like about to lose a VWAP probably.
No, but it went from the price that I wanted, which was 883.
Yeah, I went quite high.
For that kind of price of stock, like, oh, let's put that.
But if you see that's a 1 minute wick, like you could imagine with what intention that reject that, like that big wick that we are
20
seeing here.
cent wick.
Yeah, look at the 1 minute. That
20 cent
whatever
wick.
was there was serious. Whatever was at 10.25 was huge. And that's why I say we keep learning, because right now I'm gonna do the same evaluation on AMD. Yeah, it's not this. That's not serious. So, but yeah. So let's see. Neo, NVDA, AMD, PLTR. Yeah, PLTR is a little bit more serious than the rest, but still, like, you don't sleep on that one, you know. If in another occasion, I will be sure to PLTR right there at the 63, but
Okay, last pop,
under
and
my
then I'm out of
conditions, I
you.
cannot.
Last pop, and I'm out of you. Come on now. Give me the little pop. Wow, I love my dreadlines. Okay, so SPY right now is losing so much momentum. There's definitely a lot less momentum to push it through. When we're looking at the volume candles, the sellers are definitely showing up here on SPY.
Let me take a look at the VIX.
Okay, this
The
is
move
my
happened
last.
overnight? No, it happened at 10.
No. Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Okay, so this is my last pop on Neo.
Google right now should be like very high, I guess. No,
Yeah,
maybe
well,
just a
okay,
couple.
hey, from 9:30.
Yeah, but like look at Amazon. Amazon did sweet, but Google is like.
Okay, and here we go.
You remember my Jackson Hole PLTR last year? That's what I was talking about before the Jackson
Oh
Hole.
my God! I
just
do
got the same crap on-
remember.
I just got the same crap on AMD today. Like, sometimes you can get killed twice by the same knife, you know.
Your expressions, seriously, your expressions, priceless. Okay, you get at 6:38 there, Neil. So long, farewell.
What's up? You have to take a shower.
Hmm?
Dumbo have to take a shower.
Mm-hmm. A shower and a bath.
Yeah.
A shower, a bath, a spa day.
Hey, this weekend's supposed to be very quiet. So let's enjoy it.
Except tomorrow.
That's the only thing we have. Like,
Really?
yeah.
Well, I'm so proud of you guys.
Like, I mean, bloody have to go to a store to get school items, supplies for the girls. But while she's doing that, like, she's going with Ella and I'm going with Lila to
Groceries?
grocery. But I literally need, like, I don't think I need more than 3 items from the grocery store. Because I did the grocery last week. And the things that we need to cook, like basically with milk, that's always
No, well, for
weekly.
sure, right?
So, but the rest of the thing I think is like maybe milk, bread, and I don't know, but like as I say, I asked Bloody for your question because you say that. So I asked Bloody, but like she say, oh, busy now, so probably later. So, but if not, that's why I say like don't wait on me because I don't think I will last 5 minutes in the store.
And it's always nice when you go with
Fly
your
like
girl.
You know what is my only hope? That this guy is still hanging on here below my entry. It is hard that it will test it, but there is a probability. So for the difference between getting out and getting out at the end, like at the maximum loss, is worth it. Yes, I'm gonna be bored to death, but I'm not doing anything.
Hey, exactly. How low is that, Vix? How low can
Can
you
you
go?
get over it?
I can't believe it. I can't get over that the volatility index is that low when we've got moves like this.
Something that is good for like anybody. Like let's say I'm holding Tesla overnight. No overnight. Not in my day trading things. But I'm saying I have a Tesla that is a swing trade. I have a couple weeks, maybe like a month with that trade already. Probably a month. But what I'm saying here, like days like today, where really high volume comes into those things, we know for news and things like that, it could be for any reason. But let's say you have a spy that did this beautiful move. Like that's a beautiful move. Like I mean,
No.
the smoke I'm taking on AMD have nothing to see with the reality of what is going on. Like I mean. Like my analysis here said like this is a beautiful move, and I said I was looking long since the open. I was
Yeah,
looking
that's
bullish.
true. You were saying you
So
called
it's just
it.
I decided to take a couple of shorts here and there, and that didn't went well. So, but what I'm saying, if you are holding a trade overnight, or if you have a swing idea, when you see a SPY doing this type of move, where like I mean a SPY, like it could be the whole indexes. Like you can look at SPY, you can look. Like for example, if we look at
NDX,
TQQ,
TQQ.
we look at NDX, which is the ETF for Nasdaq. You see all that big move like that. That is that beautiful. Let's say we come back to SPY, so where we, like let's say we illustrate that it's going high like this, quite a lot, and then you take, like let's say I'm gonna take Tesla as a sample. What it did, it's almost a one-to-one chart wise. It looks pretty close to identical. Like I mean. Like it is never identical, but like what I'm saying is that this is a very nice push. So you remember me telling a couple days ago, Marie, I want to sell Tesla to buy AMD, AMC. Look at AMC. So which is the right idea here? Is AMC or is Tesla?
Tesla.
It's Tesla. So why? Because with the type of move that we have in the market, the fact that AMC just moved a couple cents, like let's say this is AMC is 2.5% up, and this is a ticket that is $2.80, $2.90. Tesla is 335, and Tesla is 4.8% higher. So this is giving you a gauge of how strong the stock is, or how much selling pressure it have, all those things. So like basically it's just you see what the overall market is doing, and you can compare your stock with like is it very off from whatever the overall market is doing? Is like underperforming the market by a lot, or is it's kind of aligned, or like, and then when you are like for example, I haven't made any money like today exactly when like it went a little bit above my entry Tesla, but like I haven't been making significant money on Tesla. But what I'm saying here is like when you go under, like you have to make sure that you revise that and you say I want to stay in the trade because my idea is still valid. It's not doing anything off or whatever. or like, and I want to keep it, or hey, you know what? This is a sell that was along here. We don't know what happened there, and like you have to reevaluate. Do I want to keep the trade? Do I want to be out?
Mm-hmm.
And like always trying to be as close as possible to the original plan. So, but yeah.
I like that.
it's a quick
Yeah, because it
mention.
could have been very tempting to get out of Tesla, right?
Like right now, let's say I can say, oh, I can go out with little profit and like go and buy AMC. But with what I see today is that with what AMC did, like, and I know, like, I mean, I say this stock have been very well diluted and things like that. So it's still, the idea is still okay, but it stopped being as attractive to me. Why it stopped being as attractive? Like, yes, it is popping up here and there, but I look, even in the pullback, it didn't make a lower low. It's a higher low. This is a higher low here. Like, this is a low, lower low. This is a higher, low. So the idea for the long is still there. It's just like it doesn't, like, but at the same time, like lower high as well. So yeah.
Indicating a little bit of consolidation, right?
Yeah, less potential than in Tesla right now, to be honest. Like Tesla, like this is a higher low, then lower low, then higher low, but we have higher highs as well. So this is a lower high, higher low, lower high, and higher high. So yeah, I'm okay with Tesla. Yeah, let's stay there and like wait for it to do whatever it really wants to do. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk you through my trades. And,
Great idea.
we're gonna go from the best to the worst. So PLTR. I took a long on PLTR. And like I really didn't like this wick here. Though if I look at like after here, would I trust it there? I don't think I would trust it there. So to keep it real, like I took the long here because it makes sense. It got me out. Then it wick that like that, and I say, oof, I'm happy and out of that thing. I am not looking at it anymore. But then, like, let's say I'm looking at the chart and look at what a beautiful move. But like, if you ask me, will you trust it here? I wouldn't trust it because of this wick here. So even if I see that participation on the tape, that's a stock that I because of the wick, I wouldn't be willing to take again. Like we're gonna have the good sample of this case. Like look at Tesla. Like I say, like I saw that
Oh,
size.
that's just gorgeous.
Look at that entry there.
And adding on the pullback.
So do you see a long wick like you see it in PLTR? No. So then it went like a bunch of dollars in my favor. Then I add, and it's like this is, I got in at 320, and my last out was at 334.50. So
that's sick.
$14.50.
That's a move.
That's
That's a move.
this was part of what
That's
add
the
to the heat.
move of the day.
2 little shares here. I had 2 little shares. Then I add, but when I add here, I was like insecure, I would say. But it worked, so
Hey,
Tesla was good. Tesla was very good. But,
very, very good.
So then we took our nemesis today.
AMD.
So AMD, I short AMD here. Then I add to the short. It worked me out. This is the PCL here. So it worked me out, and I say I don't want to be worked out at the PCL. So whatever amount of share I have with those two, including the ad, I just shorted the game here. It pop, and like I say, you know what? I don't want to be out of that. Like right now, even if I was out here, like I have 4 times the loss that I would take if I would be just coming out at the price I'm supposed to be coming out. So, and it's growing, as I say. This thing at some point is gonna block me, and that's it. But yeah, and we're gonna revise the week and see what happened. But yeah, this is a big mistake here. Big mistake. The second one. The first one is okay. This one, it's okay. This one is a big mistake because I never got out. And like, to me, this thing doesn't belong, whatever it is. But not today. Not today. But yeah, so. And that I am talking myself. That contradicts the idea that I was saying about like why this have this big push, because there is not that much selling pressure on it. So like I decided to, because I thought, oh, this is me chasing a low hanging fruit. Like this is the low hanging fruit of today, and look at what a mistake that I did. It's the right thing to do still, like it's the right thing to do when you manage it correctly. But like AMD, the volume was cut at half for today, below half. And I say, you know what? That seller that is at 63, he cannot handle it. So I just gonna short the crap out of him, and you're gonna go below the. But yeah, so that's why you have to be careful with your ideas. And yeah, so that's it for me. I am red right now. Like my actual PNL is green, but the unrealized PNL is like 2 times what I have as a PNL. So if I get out there, I'm gonna be red for the day. If this thing come back to the 200 moving average, I'm gonna be flat. No, I'm gonna keep the profit if it come to the 200 moving average. But if not, if it doesn't come back, I am just playing with fire here. And like as I say, I have a maximum stop loss in the system, so it will block me just like that. And that's it. So I hope everybody is having a good trade. Let's check Marie's trade. She traded fantastic today. She just killed it.
Yeah. So
like, you have non-shorts, just to non-shorts.
No. Still in my original trades of 930. Okay, this is a first, people. This is a first.
Which one we took first?
A Neo. So Neo, I went in and I put my order with the biggest.
Just to illustrate, wait for it. This is very important because she's saying she's keeping her trades from the open. I'm gonna tell you, she got in right there. Mm-hmm. Then she
added at the VWAP.
Right there. Man.
And then
and
then I took my first
partial.
At 6, like because I saw the big one. I said you never know what could happen.
Here.
I partial there. Then I added right there when I saw that it was reversing.
She added again back here.
Mm-hmm. I took my second partial at the consolidation at 610. I took my third partial at my at 620. When it was consolidating heavy at the 622, I took another partial, but then I added. Boom, boom, boom.
She partial at the same price here, but then she add.
And add. Every time it was pulling back.
It pop up like that, like pop up like that. She partial here too.
Then I took it at the 630.
And then she partial again here.
Mm-hmm.
I see you're partialing a lot in the bottom range.
At 630, right there was top.
Mm-hmm.
And then when it pulled back there and it consolidated at 630 again, I said, you know what? I'm going to take a double partial.
And
I want money.
Add again right there.
I added again there when I saw.
Average price is around here.
And look at where I added severely was when it crossed there. And I said, okay, we still have some room. And there we go. We still have some room. And yeah.
You should take a picture of that thing and stick it somewhere.
Okay, well, let's go in INTC.
Oh la la.
Isn't that great?
That's.
And look at my charting.
That's
right?
the best trade I have ever seen you take.
Okay, well, maybe INTC will impress you. So INTC. I took it exactly at 9:30 at 23.70. Right there. Then I added at 23.
Here I see.
Yeah, and then I added there again. I took my profit 24. Oh, you know what? I don't like the way it looked. I took a double partial. What the heck? Then I took another partial 23.
Right here.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. Like you're doing the same thing. That's my question. Why are you doing that?
It's because when I see it that it's it's really heavy selling, I just I don't want to.
that's new. You don't do that normally.
No. So
But
then,
like for example, just to elaborate, wait for it, because I want to understand you there. So she went long here. She add here. She partial here. So in here she didn't took any partial.
Yeah.
But once he pulled back to wherever she took the previous partial, she partial again.
no. So I partialed there at 24.20, and then I partialed at 24.
Okay. So
Yeah, it's way high.
Yeah,
Oh
okay.
yeah. No, it's way high. So I partial. If I take a second partial, it's because the stock is consolidating, and I don't want to leave money. I'm not breaking even
Okay.
on this one. So then I ordered there. I really had it there at the pullback almost to the VWAP. Then I took another partial at 24.50. I took another one at 53. Then I said, hey, you know what? I'll break even there at that point there. But then I took another partial at 60. Then I said, okay, you know what? The trade is over.
She add here.
And
she
then
add-
I added right there. And now I'm still in the trade. And look at me printing.
the same thing. She have her average is around here. So she have two trades from the open, and she have been adding and removing, and her price is still below the VWAPs. What did you do during that? Like something? Did you dream something? What happened?
It must be the Fuego t-shirt.
Ay.
Okay, you got to wear that t-shirt every day.
Ay. That's
So
a
the
very good
pressure of wearing a t-shirt and washing it every night, baby.
trade. You think I will wash the t-shirt that I use for trading every night? Like,
No.
you know, I don't move from here. I will use the same thing the 5 days. I'm kidding. I might use it a couple days, but maybe not the 5 days.
But you know what? Things are
By
doing
Friday,
well.
you won't be able to handle it.
It's gonna be a Dumbo. So and really, when I'm looking, look at this. This is where I was thinking. I said, you know what? That's my level.
Yeah.
That I'm gonna see what it's gonna do there. It bounced. So I'm still in the trade. I'm still printing very nicely. Boom, breaking my head in the original, still managing. You know what helped me a whole lot was BBAI. That big kick in the pants.
Ay,
That big kick in the
you
pants.
hold yourself like, hey, don't say that.
Oh no, that kick in the pants that I got there, that helped me so much to not react quickly and be calm in the trade. That helped me so much.
But
Because no word of a lie, Davey, like I would have came out of, like I would have hit sell right there if I would have been another trader.
But
Or
you
the-
know how there are subjects that you and I have been advancing simultaneously because we talk about it and like there are a couple things that Maria and I advance like kind of at the same timing or something like that.
Yeah, collaboration.
What I have been doing, I reduced my share size by a lot, but like that helped me to keep more of the profit or at least to be less red. So like I have been seeing a improvement in that, but like what happened to BBAI on you is making you do the same because let's say the difference is that you're still going like very big, but you are like
Well, it's
less.
not very big.
No, you have reduced the size too.
Woo!
Okay, so like
It's so much. Like I have not.
it's less reactive. It's like you won't like fool me like
No
make
FOMO.
me believing that you're gonna go below when I know that there is not that size. So
So you keep it, right? And you let it, instead of saying, oh, I'm out, oh, I'm in, oh, I'm out. It's really, no, hey, let's place it. If it gets me, it gets me. And like this too.
pretty cool.
It
Pretty cool
is.
stuff.
It is so cool. But I think that I might be just saying so long, farewell. It is where I'm thinking that it should be. Like here, like for me, really, when I'm looking at NEO, I'm talking 638. It's really close, right? So this is at the end right there of that number. That's where it should be out. I'm there. In INTC, it was 65. So it's really, really close to there. You know what? I've been served. What do you think?
Perfect. You're the boss.
Okay, so what I am going to do though, because today was an extremely good day.
You put the banger first.
Oh!
Here comes the money.
And you're gonna do it in between now, but like.
I'm going to do it again. I've got 2 trades that came up. Oh, and look where I came up.
Okay, yeah.
Boom!
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
They were waiting for me.
Yeah, they were waiting for you. Like that thing I like. At some point, we're gonna make a video. We have so many videos or streaming times where we say, "Look, you just got me out," and it, boom. Oh, look, you just got me. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, but like yeah, that's it. Marie have been doing very good. That's
You
pretty
too.
cool. Yeah. So that's gonna be everything for today for this week, and yeah, it's unbelievable that it's Friday, but like I mean,
Isn't it?
it
It's
is
so
Friday.
quick.
So I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody have a good weekend, and yeah, we're gonna be here every day, and like yeah,
I know I'm not going to take you now.
we're gonna see you Monday. Everybody have a good one.
Have a great weekend.
Bye.